The world is falling in love with audiobooks. We are busy people, constantly on the move, juggling multiple tasks and responsibilities. We love to consume content on the go, whether we're commuting to work, exercising, or simply taking a walk in the park. Audiobooks meet this need beautifully, offering a seamless way to enjoy stories, learn new things, and stay entertained without having to sit down and read a physical book. As an entrepreneur or creative individual, this trend presents a fantastic opportunity to make money on Audible, Amazon's leading platform for audiobooks. The demand for audiobooks is growing rapidly, and there's a significant market for high-quality content. Whether you're a wordsmith, a natural storyteller, or simply possess a passion for books, Audible offers multiple avenues for generating income. You can write your own books, narrate others' works, or even produce audiobooks for other authors. This guide will delve into these methods, providing a step-by-step roadmap to help you navigate the exciting world of audiobooks and unlock your earning potential. From understanding the basics to mastering advanced techniques, you'll find everything you need to succeed. Get ready to turn your passion into profit. With dedication and the right approach, you can transform your love for audiobooks into a lucrative venture. Let's embark on this journey together and explore the endless possibilities that await. The most direct route to Audible earnings is by creating and selling your own audiobooks. This journey begins with a solid foundation. This path offers immense creative control and the potential for significant royalties. You have the freedom to shape your story and bring it to life in your unique voice. First, you'll need a high-quality manuscript. This is the backbone of your audiobook. This could be your original work or a public domain book. Choosing a public domain book can save time and effort. Next, ensure your manuscript is polished and edited to perfection. A well-edited manuscript enhances the listening experience. Recording your audiobook demands clear audio and engaging narration. The quality of your recording can make or break your audiobook. You can choose to narrate yourself or hire a professional voice actor. A professional can add a polished touch to your work. Finally, create an engaging cover and write compelling descriptions to attract listeners. A captivating cover and description can significantly boost your sales and visibility in the marketplace. If you have a knack for storytelling and possess a clear, expressive voice, audiobook narration could be your calling. This field allows you to combine your love for books with your talent for vocal performance. Many authors and publishers seek skilled narrators to bring their written words to life. Your voice can add depth and emotion to their stories, making them more engaging for listeners. Platforms like ACX, Audiobook Creation Exchange, connect authors and narrators. These platforms provide opportunities to find projects that match your style and expertise. Building a strong portfolio with high-quality demos is essential to attract clients. Your demos should showcase your range and ability to convey different characters and emotions. Rates for narration vary depending on experience and project length, offering a flexible income stream. This flexibility allows you to work on multiple projects and manage your time effectively. Sharpen your vocal skills, embrace your inner performer, and explore the rewarding world of audiobook narration. Continuous practice and learning can help you excel and find success in this creative field. Section 4. The Power of Partnership. Affiliate Marketing with Audible. Even without creating or narrating audiobooks, you can still profit from the Audible platform through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting Audible's membership program or specific audiobooks to your audience. You earn a commission for every new member or sale you drive through your unique affiliate link. Blogging, social media, or email marketing can be effective channels for promoting Audible. The key is to integrate your promotions naturally within your content, providing genuine value to your audience while highlighting the benefits of Audible's services.